Welcome to your community portal. Let's take a look around. As you can see, you have access to many important pieces of information. For example, your main contact details and profile settings can be updated here anytime with just a couple clicks. You can update your community directory listing settings, edit your contact information to ensure all available phone numbers are accurately assigned to your profile, and you can even update your mailing address to a different location than your home, along with so much more. Within this dashboard, you can also access your billing information, check your current balances, view account history including recent transactions, also check out your My Items section where you can view recent community communications, service requests, statements, and pretty much everything else being sent by your HOA. You can also view any upcoming community events or other important dates within the calendar and events section. An amenity calendar is also available for common space reservation requests like clubhouse space or tennis courts. Now let's take a look at the documents section where you can access the most up-to-date information including association financial reports, various forms, governing docs, reserve studies, and much more to ensure you are always in the know. If you need additional assistance navigating your community's portal, please visit the link provided for more quick training videos or get in touch with us. We're happy to help.